talk show with Dr. Seena Devar, founder ACE Academy. Today, the star guest on our show is Janani, a very talented, enthusiastic, and a spirited young girl. You will get to know her very soon. So let's start this evening today with a lovely musical note from Janani. Janani, over to you. Unable to hear you. Yeah, Janani. Beautiful. That was so nice, Janani. That was beautiful. And yes, you played it so well. It really touched our hearts. Yes, your music touched our heart. And now you can just shift and yourself and you can come to the right position to have a conversation with you. As you come, I'll just introduce a little bit of you to our viewers. You can take your time. Just to add on to a few lines to what Janani is all about, her journey is obviously a little bit different from the others. For it wasn't an easy journey. She had to go through certain rough times, tough times, and she had to face a lot of difficulties in her life, which broke her down, which lowered her self-esteem. Yes, as an adult, as a young girl, she faced a lot of issues which no other teenagers should have faced. So when she called me, her first thing was, ma'am, I want to speak about my journey. I want to speak how the feelings that I went through during my teenage. Yes. So she was so confident and she was saying, I want to speak out my heart today. So Janani, I was just telling the audience, are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Janani, when she called up, she said that she wanted to speak about her journey, emotions. And we are giving her a huge space, a big platform to share whatever she feels. Now, Janani, over to you. You can talk and we are all listening to you. Whatever you wish to speak, you can speak. First, be comfortable, not nervous. It's your very own family. Okay? Over to you, Janani.
Yes. Hi, good morning, guys. So very lovely to know that you're all seeing me today. So I started as just a normal girl. Like I was very active. I was enthusiastic. And I'm the believer like jack of all trade is master of none, but it is better than master of one. So I keep my hand in every chance I get, I will try mostly. So every ordinary teenage girl, I started my teenage, but due to some personal health issues, like I got away sometime from education. I was not attending school. So that time I was like very lonely and I was depressed because I didn't have any support from my friends. I had a very great support from my family and my cousins, sisters. My family was everything to me at that time. So that time I was realizing that if you don't have friend, it's not really a problem. Like if you don't have friend, you are not lonely at all. You have your family, you have your family friends who will support you surely. Like they won't leave you. Your family won't leave you anytime. And like this was my case, and then I was back to school. I showed my face to the world after some amount of time. Then I was like really like, why people are seeing me weird.
What was the challenge that you faced, Janani?
So I'm a little chubby girl, but people were like, why your skin is pale, why you are like this, why you're like that, you're not like ideal girl you would see in this teenage. They maintain their bodies, they do makeup, why don't you hide your scars from what you have faced. It was like that, and I didn't like it. Certainly I hate makeup. I don't know to hide myself. I always like to express my true self. I don't hide anything and I am completely honest with everyone. I don't hide anything. So it was like difficult to me, like why people are expecting me to hide my scars. Like my journey is really important to me, and that really transformed that immature me to this mature and very confident me. I was
Yes.
literally not even confident when I started teenagers. I hated public speaking. I'm not, I was very shy, and if anyone touches, I will cry. I was very sensitive. Then after the post teens, like I was like really confident, like nothing can't hurt me anymore. I have felt enough, so I have nothing to lose now. I can be whatever comments you give me, I don't bother. Like if it's really important, I can take. That's not a problem. But silly things where people think I
Yes.
don't.
Yes, right. So what was that really happened to you in your life? What was that happened to you?
Mainly, the first thing is body shaming and color discrimination. Like nowadays, people should be in this size. Not everyone can't be in that shape, size, or color. And it is not necessary that they should maintain how they were in past. They can be how they like. And I'm not saying you should overeat. Like you should keep yourself healthy. But if you're chubby, it's not your fault. Like some people can't be. It's genetic. Some we don't know what
Even the matured ones, they comment about you, right? Yeah? So you have been through all this. Did it
So
lower your
like first
self-esteem?
few times I was like, why they are saying like this? Maybe the mistake is on me. I didn't take care of myself. I was like that. Then I spoke to my parents and like other people who were like similar to me, and I saw a very motivational YouTube videos. Like YouTube has many purposes.
Yeah.
Named Claire Vineland. Like everyone should see her. For entire life, she just suffered. Think of that.
Okay. My
So
God.
from that, I was like, this is not even a problem. Why should I worry about this?
Beautiful, beautiful, right? You should get motivated. You should keep getting inspirations. Why do you think these other people, they target
Like we
us?
are unique. We are not like them. We are not like anyone else.
I'm including myself in that. So I'm asking.
We are incomparable with anyone else. So like fair ones is like they'll say you are like Nayanthara. You like hair like Nazariya. Our identity. We just love how we are.
So
So people target us.
yeah, have you overcome all these things now?
Still I am facing, but I am like confronting my bully nowadays. I just like immediately I shout on them, or if I should give some advice, or I can give if I was in that stage means I can make them understand that at least.
Yeah, I just want to share with you, Janani, even about how I went through all this, and I still go through it, because this will give you confidence, and all the teenagers and all those who are watching, the viewers, it will give them a confidence. As even the previous company that I was working, I had a boss. Okay, so this boss always in front of a group, especially, he used to insult me by calling me Moti, or some, hey Moti, idara. Means, hey fatty, come here. Hey, I am a trainer. I am a senior most trainer and such an experienced trainer. And why that boss? I was realizing, analyzing, why was that boss doing this in front of a huge group? That resulted, when my, and as per my analysis, it was his insecurity. He felt that I was doing much better than him and I would overcome, and people were appreciating my training sessions and everything, and lots of praises, lots of appreciation. And he was like, he wanted to overtake me somewhere or the other. He wanted to put me down.
Yes.
Do you understand? Till now I'm going through, Janani. Till now
we
I'm going
can't
through.
we can't
So
omit it, but we can face it. Like we can
yeah.
face it like pro nowadays.
Yes, yes, yes. We can face it. We have to do it. There's no other go until people get matured, and people like us have to educate. We have to speak to them that how it, maybe for you it's a joke. Maybe for them it's a joke, but at the therefore like others are laughing, but you should laugh at your expense, not at the expense of someone else. And Janani, very hats off to you, Janani. You have come out with this topic and you want to share and you want to talk on this topic. That's really good. So keep up yourself and never let your self-esteem down. Be happy, be cheerful, love yourself as much as you can. Love yourself and keep telling, I am the best. See what talent God has gifted you with. You have so much talent. You're playing the veena, and plus you have such a supportive family, such a lovely mom and dad. Hats off to your mom and dad who have been so supportive to you, right? So now here, anything else you want to speak about your journey? Any other thing you want to speak about
So
yourself?
like if you see sick people, don't show that they are sick. They know that already. You don't have to say that why you are sick. And reason like everyone knows that are you doing fine? It's enough. Or
Yes.
you can just ask them how are you. That will motivate them. You don't ask them why you are sick. That will
is there
help
is
them
there any
mostly.
reason you're coming out with this point? Is there any reason beyond it? Was it your allergies or related to do something with that?
Like I was with my allergies, I used to go to film theaters, like everywhere I used to roam. I should stay at home. Actually, like in the point of your society, if you're sick, you should stay home. But I didn't stay home. I went everywhere. There was no, like my parents were like encouraging me, if you want to go movie and you don't want to face the people, I'll book your morning ticket, no problem. Most of people won't come. Let us go and sit and watch the movie and come
How
back.
nice of them, yeah. Your parents are really great, yeah,
And they're,
Janani.
yes,
How
ma'am.
supportive.
And like every I like to travel, and they have taken me everywhere they can. They won't leave me anywhere. From my small age they take me to everywhere where they are going, and I used to love that environment. I used going out. Then like after this allergies, when I got that time, if we have little discrepancies like that, they will take care of me, and I'm like very happy. Like I am very happy to have such a lovely parents who can
Yeah.
support me, and how they can take care of me. Like they're like, you are adult now, you
Yes,
can't
yes.
you can do this yourself. They are like, we'll help you now, you can't, so we are helping you. When you can, you will do it.
Absolutely, absolutely. Very, very true. And I think so, this Veena, playing this music, since how long you are playing Veena?
I'm playing for 8 years.
8 years, very good. I think you have immersed yourself in that. That helps, that soothes your mind and soul also, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Like
That
if
helps you a lot.
like every raga has a health benefits. Like if you play some ragas, if you are even sad, playing the raga can release your adrenaline. Like you will be happy for like till that you're playing,
Yeah,
you will be happy. For
right.
some time you will forget. Like it will help you to concentrate from other problems and concentrate on the god itself. Like you can see god when you're
Yeah,
playing veena. And it's
yes,
very
yes.
blessed to have veena. Someone, if they're having veena, it's like they're having saraswati inside their home.
Yeah, yeah, very true. So that is something beautiful, and you were completely immersed as you were playing that. You were completely immersed in that. I think so. That is your greatest solace. Yes, having parents and a lovely Veena next to you. Yes, and here we go around with the question round, Janani, and yeah, are you ready? Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
good, good. You're very lively. Years from now, what is the change that you like to bring about, or what advice you would like to give yourself?
I was completely different when I was like 3 years ago. I
3
was a
years.
complete different
Yeah.
girl, and now I am the best and the confident version of myself. So, like,
Beautiful.
if you have any problems, so face it. Don't run away from it. It will make you and shape your problems. It will make you into a better person.
Yes, yes. And you, I can see a better Janani, confident, and you will go a long way. Yeah, I'm assuring you today on this show that we're just going to rock. Yes, Janani,
I
keep
wish that too.
you will do it. You will do it. That kind of confidence you have, and you keep encouraging the other teenagers also. If someone is going through the same kind of issues that you are facing, try to talk to them and try to support them in all aspects that you can, right? Janani, if you have to make a rule for the entire world, one rule you want to fix, and why should we all follow that? And why should we all follow that?
That is really critical.
Think. You're a smart girl, yeah?
Like I have too many things to I would love to change in this
No,
world.
one. Not change the world. That is later. Now, just one rule you want to impose to the entire world.
Oh, okay. Like this comes, this pops my mind for the first, like, when you see transgender people, LGBTQ community people, like, we don't respect them. We brand them with numbers. We have specific names for them. Like male and female,
Yeah,
they have their names. We can call with their names. If you don't know, just call them at least in a respected way. Don't brand them with numbers. Like we say that why they are coming in this, if they are doing like this, why they should come to the traffic signals and have their hands with us. Like it's wrong. Like we didn't create the opportunities for them. First, we should create the opportunity, and then you should say why you are begging in the streets.
beautiful.
In
Yeah, lovely thought, Janani. Yes, please go ahead.
like nowadays, like, government is taking really good initiatives. I'm not saying any wrong in that. Like people's mindset should change. Uh, like we have transgender people all over, like in history they have changed the world, and we have even in Puranas, like a woman born as woman, and she came out of she came out as men, and she fought a war and won. Like that, we
Yes.
have many brilliant and brave stories to tell in the society, and we are like literally branding them with numbers. Why?
Yeah, in Puranas, I think so. A lot of respect was given to these
Yes,
transgenders.
they were
Yes,
worshipped.
lot of respect was given, and they were an important part of what is that called as the council members. There, in amongst all the council members, there used to be a transgender, like, you know, so importance is given there to the transgender. But now you are absolutely right what you said. How did you have this kind of feelings or concern for this community?
Like first is like I, perfectly normal people is itself facing this much. They
Yeah.
are like they are keeping nothing in their mind, and they are showing what they are. They are not hiding any of their identity, and they are showing what they are. And why? For showing what they are, why should we discriminate them? Should give chance. I'm not saying you should first, before respecting, first we should give equal chance for them. That will make them into a respectable person.
Yes, very true. I hope all are listening, all our viewers are listening, and transgenders, of course, we need to give them their respect in society and not call them by numbers, but give them an identity, call them by their name, and give them a lot of job opportunities. So that is something beautiful, a great thought by Janani. And Janani, this is surely slowly it's coming up, and they are getting their own space. They are making a space in our society. And I too have a lot of transgender friends. I have of my own, like, you know, so we are doing a lot for them, and we keep talking to each other. So it's on a friendly basis we have started moving around with transgenders, and it's helping a lot. So our mindset is changing. Yes, or, like, you know, and slowly it will happen. Great thought, Janani, and a loud applause for this, bringing this up. A great applause and a very great thought. Absolutely wonderful thought. Yeah, in future, Janani, I'm sure you are aware how future is going to be. Like, little bit you are aware of it, right? Now you are grown up, you'll get a job, of course we'll get into marriage. Yes, so how will you face now? It's not the marriage in Tamil Nadu, you know the culture. Tamil Nadu, no, everywhere. How's the culture? How's the culture?
Like we are protected towards our children. We try to make them safe first
No, no.
till they
Marriage.
are
How does the marriage
married.
proposals comes?
Like
What happens? The process. There's a process, no, to it.
first they will write their horoscope, and they will send the horoscope to the groom
Yeah.
and bride. Then they will see the match using astrology. Astrology is a science, but I do believe something is little, at least it's relevant to the marriage.
Yes.
And like they will see the horoscope, and they will get arranged marriage. And love marriage is complete different process,
Yes.
where people love each other, they like each other, and if they think they are compatible and they can lead a life in their way, they can get married.
Yeah, this guys come, the proposals come, these guys come, and they see us, and we are like like coming, bringing, offering tea and coffee, and they go and say no, no. I have faced it, so I'm just sharing it with you. You will also have this kind of things coming up, like, you know, so rejections. So even I faced a lot of rejections coming and say, no, she's fat. No, she's dark. Oh, she's got short hair. So a lot of rejections. So how will you face these rejections? Are you ready to face this rejection, or you don't want that process? Or can we change the entire process of this coming and going? What do you think?
Like they expect a fair bride, fair, short, thin bride. So I'm going to put this in my horoscope when they are printing a horoscope. I will be completely open with you. I am not as your expectations, and I will be myself. If you're ready to accept me, come and meet me.
Yeah, absolutely. That's very fantastic. So you just be open and tell them, so there's no scope for rejections and all those things, isn't it?
Like we in modern days we are sending the photo also, so they will know like how I will look before meeting itself. So
Yeah.
that's not really problem. Like if you're really interested in me, you can contact me. That's fine.
Yeah, right. Absolutely. Absolutely. How important is your family to you?
It's like very important. Like I can't lose them for anything. I won't give them up. Like you should not leave your family. Like they should be with your family like all the time. Like I'm a girl and I'm single child. So my parents are like, when you go and get married, who will take care of you? Like there are some discrepancies in our society where the girl shouldn't decide in the family that she should spend for her parents, or she should send all her money to her husband's family only, like that. So that time, like sure, I will make the contribution to my family also. They shaped me into me. If you
Yeah,
are seeing this me, they are only
because
shaping
of them.
that.
Yes,
So
yes.
I will take care of them. I have said this. Don't expect that I will do this, but I will do something for you. Don't
Oh,
keep any expectations, but I will do something, and you will be safe in your life.
okay. So you are the only daughter, right, Janani?
Yes.
So do you miss having a sibling?
No, I don't. Like, I have a very big family. Like
Oh,
every
okay.
weekends we have 10 people in my house.
Oh,
So like
okay.
weekdays I go to school, weekends I spend with my cousins. So it is not really a lonely process being a single child. If you have more relatives, it's not
Okay, you
really a
have,
problem.
okay. So you're happy being
Yes.
single at home. So you're getting a lot of love from your family people. Yes. So in your journey, who is the teacher who supported you the most?
Like lot of literally my whole school supported me. I will say that
Okay.
my
Fantastic.
they wanted like you should write the exam. You're not going to skip your grades and go to next section and all. You should write your exam. They were strict with that. So
Hmm.
I was requesting like let me sit alone and write. I would require some little time extra to complete.
Okay.
And they were like very supportive. They gave me a separate room. They had a teacher for me. Then when I needed some help, they were like, and many teachers have helped me. And when I was at home, they used to send like, this week I took this notes. Please get that from this girl or that boy. Complete these notes and keep this lesson is completed. And I had a few supportive classmates also who sent me whenever I needed a resource from the school. I was very lucky
Okay.
at that time to having a supportive school first of all.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, you are studying in Kikani Vidya Mandir, and Kikani Vidya Mandir is a good reputed school in Coimbatore. And from all the students, I have learnt that the teachers there are very supportive and very a family atmosphere. I think so. You have a family
Yes.
atmosphere there. So your children, those who are studying at Kikani Vidya Mandir, are really lucky, right? Good. So, according to you, what makes you laugh, Janani?
Anything funny makes me laugh. I'm a laugh out loud person. Even a small comedy makes me crack like something.
What kind of shows you watch?
I like mostly, I don't see, I'm not interested much in Indian soap operas. I see some like comedy shows in Tamil or mother language I used to see. And I guess funny if you can understand, at least put subtitles and see, it will make your day better. I would say that.
Okay, okay, fine. Which serial?
Like I love many of them, but now I'm seeing Brooklyn Nine-Nine. So
Okay,
it's really funny. Like we have seen the rough cops, and it's like there are like funny cops. You don't expect a cop to be always rough. They can be funny and friendly too.
Great, great, beautiful. And what is your future? What do you wish to be in future? What is your aspiration?
So I aspire to become a government servant. Like I'm not sure I would be in this way only. I am having multiple plans, but I'm like just I'm keeping my hand now on history. Really love history. So I'm like let me pursue history first, and then I will select which way I am going.
Okay,
Everything requires a degree, so let me do the degree in what subject I love.
okay, fine, fine, good. So you want to be a government servant
Yes.
and serve our country. Okay. Now, if you were, just imagine you are the president of India, okay, and you are getting an opportunity to have three people with you, three people to assist you in your work. Three people, you can choose anyone from India, three best people to assist you. So who are those three people you'd select and why?
I would select my father first.
Not to assist you in your
Yeah,
work.
like he's my best teacher in he's like if you ask something about economics, he will say immediately what is happening in India. I won't even see
Okay.
news. He
Oh,
will like he's always updated. He will predict what is going to happen, and literally it happens. So I'm like,
what is your father doing,
my
Janani?
father is a businessman. He deals with gold articles,
Oh, gold articles means
jewelry.
ornament, jewelry. Okay, okay,
So I'll first I
fine.
have my father. No questions in that. I'll have my father. Next,
Okay. Second.
uh, I'll have Shashi Tharoor maybe.
Okay, very nice. Why Shashi
I
Tharoor?
really love his accent and how the way he attends a
Language.
problem. And he likes really
Yes.
supportive to whatever happens in this world. He's like aware of it and he is supporting how he can. So you
His
can have
language, I think you are amazed at his language skill and all
mainly.
those things. Yeah, public speaking and his language and his diction, which
Yeah,
we all can swear by. Lovely diction. Okay, that was great. Another one, third person.
really tough actually. If this is not like party based, I'm saying like I would
No, no, no parties,
if
no mentioning. I mean,
Jayalalitha Amma was alive,
ah,
I think she will support me.
yeah,
She's
yeah,
a
yeah.
really
Okay,
brave iron woman for Tamil Nadu. Like
yeah, yeah.
let us keep away the politics. Like she has made many reforms. Like till now people are
Absolutely. Of India. Even
like
existed.
let
She
me
not
say for a reason she's alive till now.
Okay, okay, fine. So, what's your favorite food, Janani?
I love food. So I don't have any favorites, but if they give idiyappam to me daily, I can eat idiyappam forever.
Forever. Okay. If you have to envy two things about others, what you would envy?
I can't understand that. Can you put?
Envy. Envy means you are jealous of something that others have and you don't have. What's that?
First of all, I'm happy with whatever I'm having. So let's say it's in an ironical way,
Yeah.
a jealous Janani is there. So let me think for a minute. I would
I think you
really
have
love
everything.
Bharatanatyam dancers' expressions.
Absolutely.
Like
Yeah, 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 yeah.
it's very tough to make me smile while taking a photo, and I don't. If I was really happy, I will give a smile. If I smile,
Okay.
so I would like to have a Bharatanatyam dancer's expressions and athletes' physique. Maybe they are very
Yes.
healthy. That
Healthy,
envies me.
rough and tough.
Really,
Yeah, I
that
know.
envies me.
Beautiful. You went through all the question answer sessions very well. You answered well, and you are such a spirited girl. Very spirited. I really loved. the conversation with you. And what's now the final round? What is your message? One message for the teenagers and message for the adults.
Like the whole session is been like I'm saying the message only.
Message for teenagers.
Okay, specifically, I'm like, don't bully or cute bullying is okay. A little bullying between friends, a short things is okay. Don't over bully anyone. Don't try to grab others' chance. You should let me say, like, you should be happy with what you have, and you should enjoy what you're having and enjoy with the things in your life. You should be very happy to have those things. You can't miss that for other things. So
Absolutely.
whatever chance you're getting, give a try. Don't like, I am not very good at singing. Like, you can give. I'm not saying you should sing. You can give a try, or you can sing with yourself. You can sing before a mirror. So don't leave anything. If you get a chance, try it.
Absolutely. And message to us.
Like other one, we children are seeing you, and only we are growing up. So when you like disrespect anyone, the next your child will disrespect another. So don't disrespect. Everyone have their own unique identity, and they have a backstory for sure. So what they are having now, there will be something in their life happening that they have changed like this. So don't discriminate anyone, disrespect anyone. They should teach their sons to respect women. Like, without her permission, they should not touch her. First of all,
Good.
they should learn to respect others. First of all, leave everything what you're teaching in your life. There should be respect, and they should be honest first. These two things, like, certainly most parents should teach. And like, children should know what is like life, death, what is a divorce, what is being a transgender. They should know everything. Like, then only they will respect someone from that side. First, they should know what it is. They should teach that.
Great, Janani. I'm matured answers. It all speaks, all the answers that it speaks about your maturity and the kind of experiences you have gone through your life. All these experiences, the tough times, have made you so strong, has made you so matured and so much responsible. There's clarity in your thought. I really appreciate you for fighting out all the odds. And still remember, you still have a long way to go, Janani. Yes, and keep fighting, stay strong, never give up, never pull down yourself or get into any kind of low self-esteem. Love yourself. The message to all the viewers today, Janani and myself, both of us together, try to convey a message to you is about body shaming. Body shaming is no fun. It can be fun to you, but the person who is there, like you are insulting a person in front of an entire group, that person constantly says it lowers that person's self-esteem, and it can hurt the person to a greater extent. So it's not fun, so fine, but frequently when it keeps happening, it can lower a person's self-esteem, and you'll be causing, indirectly, you'll be causing harm to the others. We have no right to destroy another life. Right? So with this message, my dear viewers, thank you so much for being with us today with Janani. It was so wonderful, and I really, from the bottom of my heart, I wish Janani the best of luck for her future. And surely, I'm sure after 1 or 2 years, we will try to bring her back and see what Janani is doing in her life. I wish you all the best, Janani. Thank you, my dear. Stay happy. All of you, my dear viewers, stay happy, stay motivated, be positive, and beautify others' lives. Thank you so much. Thank you,
Thank
Janani.
you all. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving this opportunity. And I thank my parents and Kikani Vidya Mandir, my school, to give this opportunity to speak to you and open my world.
Yeah, and thanks to ACE Academy. Right? Thank you, dear. God bless.